Welcome back to Glenda's Toys Review. Welcome back to Kate's Toys Review.
Wow, you look so pretty.
Today I'm Wonder Woman.
And
Today I am Barbie's
Spy Squad.
Spy Squad.
So beautiful.
I don't know what we have today. Oh my gosh!
Oh my
was
god, what's that?
Oh, it's a T-Rex, Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Are
What
we
do you
doing
have for
dinosaur?
us today? Ooh, I have a present for you all. Guys, please bring it here. Alright, sir. Doing, 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 doing. This is our previous slime video. Doing, 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 doing.
Is that
And
slime?
the
It looks
best
like
is...
it.
Do.
Oh, are we opening a new one?
Yes, indeed. Now we
I
will
love
open
the
it.
red.
Let's
So
open it now.
pink is Kate's, yellow is Glenda, and it matches your hairband, Glenda. And
Oh,
the
yeah.
pink matches your glasses.
Yeah, really.
So coincident. And red should be mommy's, right?
You're not wearing it.
Red is on the star.
For the Wonder Woman's car.
Can I open the slime later?
Okay, let's just rip it off first. How do you? I forgot. Oh yeah. Okay, you took out the slime. And then take the zip out from here, like something like LOL. Eh.
Glenda, you want to show what's inside the yellow egg?
Okay, I'll get Kate for help me.
Okay,
show.
Kate, show mommy what's in the pink egg.
Ooh, so yellowish.
What's that?
Ooh, look at the slime.
Wow, I like it.
I love the
It's
color.
pretty, it's
I love the
pretty.
color. I'm going to
Ooh,
take it out.
it's so slimy.
It's, Mommy, do you want to touch one?
Mommy touch.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, my Chinese teacher confiscated my friend's slime before, and then she touched it, and then she was like, ooh.
So slimy, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, oh, I saw something green. What's that?
Oh, what dinosaur is this?
Oh, you mean it's a dinosaur egg surprise?
You can check it out in my previous video with the castle.
Wow.
What dinosaur?
What
Oh, this is
dinosaur?
a good dinosaur. Okay, take the. Yeah.
Yeah, this one.
Okay, Kate, show the backing.
No, we don't have. We have a.
This one, this one.
Okay, let's see.
No, it's not there.
Let's do a match.
Let
What
me
do you
see.
have? Glenda, leave it on the desk.
It's so slim.
Looks like alright, come, let's do a match.
I think this is special edition one.
Can I see?
It's not in here. It's special
Oh, I'm
edition.
sure it's in here.
No,
Yes, it's in here.
no, it's
Isn't
It's
that's the
this one.
no, it's not. You see, there's a horn here and there's no horn here.
Yeah,
And there's
it has a horn
no,
on
but
it.
there's is a curve, and here is the spiky area.
Oh yeah.
Okay, yeah,
It's
you're right.
not
I think it's not
inside.
inside here.
Special edition dinosaur!
Let me do a quick look. Let me check again.
Oh yeah, Kate. Meanwhile, you can just take out your slime. I'm also gonna take out mine.
Yeah, you're right. I can't find any suitable one. But today I think it looks like this.
Which one?
Chesmosaurus.
Chesmosaurus?
Yeah.
No. It's
Yeah,
not.
if you do a match, it looks
No,
like.
look. There's no big horn sticking out from here.
Oh well, it's alright. Let's continue. Okay, what do we have? Oh, I love the pink slime.
Oh, I love it too. I want to change, but
But now you're Wonder Woman, you don't need to
It's
change.
shared.
Right, your power is the pink, is the yellow
Yellow.
slime. And where's my red slime?
broke out.
My red slime.
it's not yours. It's mine.
We have the red slime in the middle.
Okay.
Can you help me? I cannot.
Oh, your dinosaur is still inside.
Sure.
So which dinosaur do we have now?
Now let's change the slime position.
Can you help me?
What do you
Oh
have?
my
Kitty?
god.
Me.
Wait, don't beat me.
Oh.
Oh. Just take it out by
It's
yourself.
coming out. It's coming out, Katie. Ooh, so gluey. Can I take the Rick slime and then just smack? You see? It dropped onto my carpet.
Onto our new carpet.
One more time, let me play with the Rick slime. I dropped it. Bouncy, bouncy. Look at it. Bouncy. Ooh.
Okay, I'm all done.
You're all
Now
done.
let's get our dinosaurs.
Why is all your slime is like in patches? Ooh, look at mommy.
Mommy.
It's flying with the slime.
In my previous video, did you see I won this? If you did, you should have liked and subscribed before you came to this video. Ooh. Oh, I can see you guys.
Oh, yay.
Ooh. Let's try the yellow one. I'll help you. Nah, maybe not.
Do you want to play with the dinosaur?
Yes.
What else do you have? Oh, I saw a lot here.
Ooh.
Can you introduce them?
Okay, this is the Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Wow, this big.
I don't know what's this one.
It's alright, just show.
Okay, we'll show you. It's not so able to stand. This is the three-horn dinosaur. This is Spinosaurus.
I think the tree horn is called the Triceratops. though.
Yep, it's called that.
Okay.
And these two are the twins dinosaur, but I don't know their name. Oh, this is the one Kate has.
Oh, it's the same. It's called the Pteranodon.
Pteranodon. Oh, this is a very odd dinosaur. This is also very odd with a lot of spines. Ouch! It hurt me. So this is a baby Spinosaurus. Then we have a daddy Spinosaurus and daddy, mommy, baby. This is the Plantosaurus. This is the it's in the checklist, mommy. Can you help me check?
What's that?
Oh, I think I have this. No, I don't have.
Which one would that be? There you go.
Let me see. This is the Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus. This is the not stated in here.
Oh, you do have a lot of dinosaur collection.
I think this is also not stated. Wait, I think I know this one. It's called the Saurolophus.
Do you know all this dinosaur? If you know, please write in the comment below.
To help us
Learn
our
better.
mind.
Yay.
Oh, I found a very odd thing in these slimes that this is not so sticky and this is stickier.
Really? Kate, can you test it?
You see, look at this. When I put my hand, which one sticks to my hand?
Oh, yeah, right. Kate, can you test with yours? Pink and red. Kate. Oh, Kate's is not so sticky. Oh, your yellow one is sticky.
Very sticky.
Can we matches the two together?
No. Now
Will
let's
it mess
mix
it
them
up?
like this. Yes, it will mix it up. Like this. Put it like that and you'll see it gets down very fast. See, it's getting down soon.
Does it have the bouncy sound? Boing, 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 boing.
Let's play with our dinosaurs. Oh dear, I mixed up. So these two are here. Kate, where's your dinosaur? Put it here.
We can play teacher.
Alright.
Pretend this is the most naughtiest student.
That feels gross.
Hee ha ho ho ha ho ha. Pretend this is the teacher.
That's a fierce teacher.
Ho ha ho ha ho. Hee ha ho. Twinsies, you can see together.
Okay, are you doing a revolve?
Ah.
A pink revolve?
No, we need the
This is
children
the
to sit.
teacher's table.
Children! The dinosaurs are children.
This is the teacher's table.
And the children, who's the naughty children must sit here.
No. Okay. Maybe okay. Ooh. Be careful not to make them fall. Hey, don't bite him. Okay.
Katie, which one would you want to take? Why don't you
No, I
do
want
something
the
with the red?
slime.
Yeah, let's do something with the red slime.
And the families.
Can the red slime be a sea of red swimming pool? Maybe you can do a swimming pool for them to
I have a
sunbathe.
special edition one.
Ooh, gluey glue.
Gooey. Gary. Okay, I'm gonna use some yellow slime. Glump, 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 glump.
No. Slime is not healthy. Especially if it's yellow. Red is better.
No, yellow is better. Red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, red. Ah!
Okay, are you making roti prata?
Okay, class. So today we will be learning how to add and subtract. Okay, just let me bring the slime over
I'm
here.
making roti prata
No.
for
Today,
lunch,
class, we will
so they can
have.
go canteen.
Today, class, we will learn how to do PE.
PE. Are you gonna teach them
So
gymnastics?
physical education. We are supposed to do a somersault and land inside this soft ball of yellow slime. So we will have red. Oh dear, okay. Why did you mix the colors?
Oh,
We have-
yeah, mistake on my teeth.
Oh!
Oh
We will
no!
have pink and red together. Okay, don't touch, don't touch. Okay.
Oh no! Can I wash it away?
No, I don't think you
Oh
can.
no! Kate, can you try to roll them up?
I try. No. You see, you cause it even more.
Oh no! Don't land on my carpet.
Carpet.
It's almost done.
But it's very bad. Okay, so now let me continue. So each of you, one by one will land here and one will land here on the new gymnastic mat or on the old gymnastic mat. Haha, I'll pick right then. I'll pick yellow. Yay! Okay, you two go first. 3, 2, 1. Somersault. Bang. Very good. Sit beside me. Next is my turn. Who else wants to carry me?
All kids has one similar one, right? You can use both the same
Oh,
one.
good.
Yeah, here. This
Okay,
one.
that one then. I'll go then. Oh, hi, brother. Hi.
Brother?
I'll be red. I'll be yellow. Bing, bing. Now we have another one. Okay, I'll go for you. 3, 2, 1, point.
Okay, you can clean up later.
Choop.
That's the whole purpose of playing slime, right?
Yeah. Whee.
Katie!
Yep.
Slimy. Boing.
Slimy, slimy. Bing. Ooh.
Glenda, stretch the slime.
Okay.
Stretch. Oh, it's all dropping. Ooh.
Ah.
I think hers is more slimy than yours. Let's
Oh
play
dear,
yours.
it's there.
Let's play yours.
No, it's mixed. No. Dun.
Can we not mix them together?
I know the pink is stuck with the red.
No, I want to mix them together. Ooh,
Uh,
wee. Mommy like the slime. Ooh, I like the
Okay,
slime.
we will mix it then. Let's make a hamburger.
Oh, wait. You don't mix. Oh no, I think we are in trouble. Can you please release them? Hey, don't mix them all together.
Okay, I'll take it out.
Oh dear.
Oh,
I
look at
think
the orange.
we won't be able to release them.
Why?
Katie, I'm sorry. I've mixed the red and the pink together. Katie, where are you?
He is a bit of, you know.
Okay, that's fine. Later, mommy will wash. Okay, let's see your t-shirt. So kids, don't
T-shirt.
play slime on your clothes. Look at it. Can't release. Alright, Kate, that's fine. Mommy will clean later.
Oh, look at this color. I love the color and it's mixed.
Oh no.
Look at this. Look at the color. It's so pretty, right?
Yeah.
I love the
Kate's
mixed
pink
color.
become red.
See, it's so pretty.
She has a nice pink earlier. It's mommy's fault. Hoo-hoo.
It's okay. Oh my gosh.
Okay, do you like the new color?
I love my new color.
Okay.
It's so beautiful.
Do you like the new color? Yeah.
You want a bit of yellow to trade with pink?
No, let's not mix again.
Okay. I'll see the red color. Ooh, it doesn't blend that much. Give me. Hey, I never take so much. I didn't take so much either. That's the red one. I love the color. It's so cute and pretty.
Oh, you took all my red. So sad. Oh, leave my red alone.
No way, we will never do that.
I love my red.
I love my yellow, especially now it looks like
I love my
orange.
dark pink, but you match my dark pink.
Yeah, your neon pink becomes reddish.
can make-
pink.
Orange. McDonald color. Oh look, the blend is making orange.
Yeah.
I can't wait to
You have
play with
yellow
it.
with a
Oh dear,
soft
sorry
brown.
dinosaurs. I didn't mean to do that. Oh look at that. Look at this orange color.
So yellow mixed with
Oh look at this orange.
red becomes
look.
orange, right?
Orange.
And Kate, what do you have?
Pink,
Pink mixed with
red,
yellow becomes
orange.
orange as well.
Two. I have all the colors in my this yellow slime squishy gosh. Ooh. Luckily
Oh my goodness.
Oh dear. Okay, luckily the book wasn't stained. Okay.
Ta-da.
Okay. I love playing with slime. I wish I could make one, but I think making slime is no good because it will make your hands super sticky, and when you play with your slime it will be super sticky. And you know, sorry, no. You know why? Because I watched my friend's channel, and then she said she was making slime with her friend, and it's very, sticky. Ah, not on my skirt! No, my beautiful skirt. Okay, Hugh. It did not stain anything. I love this orange color from yellow to orange.
Yeah.
It's like the sunset color or the sunrise color.
Okay. Do you want to keep inside the egg?
No.
So what shall we do?
We can play with the dinosaur.
But I'm not
Tika has
interested.
played with the dinosaur already.
I'm not interested.
What
I'm
about you,
interested
Katie?
in slime. If you look very closely when I stretch it, the clear part, there's a bit of pink in there and there's a bit of red in there. But if you can't see a pink, you need to look very closely to see from the clear part. It looks very pinkish, right?
Yeah.
But actually it's red mixed with pink. And this orange, yellow slime, you can see it's a bit greenish when I open it.
Let me poke through.
Okay,
Let me poke through.
wait. Okay.
Put it.
Girl! Give me your hand.
Oh, my hand. My hand, girl. It's more slime now. You like that, Katie?
That's so funny.
What about you? Can you just pull it and mommy will poke through?
Okay.
Like
Pop
this.
your red slime.
My red slime. Pop, 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 pop.
Right?
Ooh, hey, this is so, look at it. It's bouncy.
My pink slime.
Pop, 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 pop. It's bouncy as well.
Oh my god, look at that. Pock.
Pop, 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 pop. You stealing my red slime again? That's not fair. You have
Hey,
a
it's
even
not fair
bigger.
for me. I have smaller. Kate has very big.
Yeah, her slime is growing in size. It's like a slime monster.
Anyway, I'll share. Oh dear. I think I got stuck with slime situation. Bye guys. If you like more slime videos, please go to Gladys Toys Review and subscribe. Bye. Bye guys. You